Morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. How's everybody doing here? Hope you guys are doing good. You guys have any ticker? Post a ticker in the link over here. We can talk about it, discuss about it later in this after the stream. Yeah. What a rip on Bitcoin, guys. What a rip on Bitcoin. You know what? Let's start off from Bitcoin first. Okay, let's do it this way. So I can show you guys what I was talking about this on Sunday night webinar. Okay, do it this way. And you can see how tight Bitcoin was, And then when this elastic got released, got broke out. Like I said, if we're gonna break out this channel, this could be a nice breakout on this. Nicely breaking out upside, guys, on Bitcoin. Well, let me see if I can do this. Something this for you guys. Intraday. Let's do for 90 days. Let's do this 20 minutes. All right, let's do this. Let's have this one right here. You can see basically, guys, she was doing the same thing over here. Very, very tight. Very, very tight over here. And then the elastic released. Boom, upside. So same thing now. Very, very tight. Now elastic is released. So beautiful breakout on Bitcoin, guys. And now I'm going to put this in a weekly chart. So you guys can see weekly, guys, this is going to be a big demand zone over here. There's big supply zone over here, 59,000, 61,000. Once we break there, then we can go next ones. So watch that demand zone upside over here, guys. 59, 60. A lot of people probably going to get in over here and get trapped around over here, guys. Right? This is where we'll sell if you guys are long over here. As the Bitcoin, let's talk about NASDAQ. Chart. So basically, NASDAQ also is right now into that squeeze, came to the bottom squeeze, couldn't break down, now on the top of the squeeze. Not sure if you're gonna break the squeezes. Once this elastic breaks, we could get a nice move. But we do have a daily squeeze also. So once the smaller time frames, the daily can also get momentum, could be a nice momentum on NASDAQ, guys. So keep an eye on these levels. So now let's talk about what levels we're gonna watch. So you can see NASDAQ basically right now broke out. Basically, NASDAQ broke out this pattern over here upside. 18,000 is going to be a key level to watch. 18,025, right? We did try to go long over here, got stopped out because I like this breakout, but of course, didn't hold. We got a pullback with something, came to the trend line, basically retesting and trying. Gotta hold this level, guys. If we hold this, then we can go into 18,071. But it's gonna be hard. Like I showed you guys, also in a nice little squeeze over here, right? So keep an eye on the NASDAQ. Let's talk about ES. ES basically, guys, 5087 is gonna be that pivot point today. If we break, possible go into 5100, 5107. If we cannot break, possible come into this low and then 50. 67-ish, 66-ish, around over there. So let's see. Let's see what's gonna happen. We can break this up upside like this. And we're destroyed. All right, that's that. Yes, let's talk about Apple. I mean, not much to talk about Apple, guys. Just gonna pull it up for a second so you guys see. This is basically just zoning over here, guys. If you guys see in the Discord in the newsletter today, guys. I gave Apple a new name. Right? Apple gets a new name. We call Apple now POS, boys. From Amazon's POS, we're gonna call Apple POS, right? That's gonna be a new name for Apple. She's not doing anything, guys. Just chilling in the 200 EMA and SMA, holding the EMA below the SMA. So just basically gathering over here. Not sure if this gonna hold. If this doesn't hold, guys, I keep saying watch the market. If 180, 179 ish doesn't hold, guys, this zone over here, this bottom over here right now, we're gonna probably get a dumpster. Right? I think I'm also gonna move this zone this way now. Something like that I'll make it. That's gonna be the buy zone. All right, that's Apple, boys. You're gonna watch that 180, see what's gonna happen around that level. If we can break, hold, move into 180, 293, 185, and all that stuff, boys. All right, POS. Amazon, nice breakout. Couldn't hold, guys. Needs to hold this 175-ish, right? Not a bad risk reward over here, guys. If this doesn't hold, market is a little weak. It could be in a good short one also here. So watch this 175-ish. See what happens over there. Coin, massive move, boys. Massive move on coin. This was a nice breakout that we were mentioning yesterday in pre-market. I wanted coin to come at 61.28. Of course, that didn't happen. And I even said if that doesn't happen, 69.95 is going to be a level breakout. Beautiful. I know a couple of guys did take coin in the morning, did take this trade. Beautiful, guys. If you guys are holding, guys, remember with this gap up, you got to take profits, right? I'm going to post coin. I'm going to open this in the monthly 5 years. All right. So you guys can see basically coin had a hard time over here when this thing dropped. Had a hard time at that 206 level, guys. 206 level, right? So where are we opening? Right at that 206 level, boys. Okay. Remember, we went all the back way back, 2 years back or whatever. That 206 is going to be a key level to watch. We can't hold that 206. See, remember what happened? Could we get a pullback into 196 then? If 206 breaks, then possibly go into 217, 224-ish. Proud. 321. We bought in the bottom over here, holding this 327 is going to be at an upgrade this morning. Let's see if 327 can break and go 336, guys. 321 is going to be the pivot point to hold. Guys, have any charts? Just post it in the YouTube, boys. We'll talk about it. Lily. I'm not sure if there's any news or something on Lily, but I did see her in the morning. She was not looking that great. A little bit of a pullback. Lily, let's pull up Lily chart. Yep, there you go, Lily. So this 745 was that resistance before earnings. You guys can see came here, tried, broke out, right, and went and came back, held over here. So gotta watch this 745, see what's it gonna hold or not. This holds could be a nice place to go long. Then again, Lily, right? That's Lily, boys. Next one we got is Low. Low has some earnings today. Mixed feelings of earnings, but coming into a good demand zone, guys. A good place to go long on Low. This zone holds over here. Nice demand zone at this 223-ish. You can see that over here. Nice demand around the over here. So basically, this is where we're coming. Could be a nice place to take her if it holds. All right. Talk about Tesla and Nvidia, guys, and that's it. It is down because of VXT. Yeah. Okay, so buy news. Tesla, nice one, Tesla guys. Tesla's just been basically just lagging, but not making new lows, right? Just making new higher highs over here and all that stuff, right? So beautiful. Has a gap to fill, so that 207 ish. So Tesla can go possible to 207.56, just around that. That's the gap fill area, guys. So let's watch Tesla. 202 is going to be a pivot point, guys. If we can hold there, we can hold this 202 and push into there. If we can't hold 202, possible come back into this 196 zone. You got the Slita, NVIDIA, 785, 785, 785. That's going to be a key level to watch today, guys. Right. You guys haven't shown me any other charts. I need this, so we can just continue. Talk about, let's see, what's VXTXs. Oh boy. Yeah. Well, Vikings. These things is crazy, man. These stocks. Let's talk about AI. Nice move yesterday. Bro called it out. AI called nicely, worked out beautifully, guys. I'm in AI shares from 25ish, like you guys know. Trading this thing still, boys. I'm still holding this AI shares piece of it. And let's see if 3022 can break out and go, boys. She has earnings, so I will take profits before earnings and keep runners. All right, gentlemen. I'll see you guys all on the Discord.